Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a Skoda Octavia 2 from 2010, it's the facelift one that is permanently showing the airbag sign right here in the dash. So I scanned it and it's telling me there's either a short or an open circuit in the side impact sensor from the driver side. Well, opened the whole door. I'm 99% sure that the sensor is right here. Cable to it seems to be just fine. I unhooked this, put my finger in there, everything is still connected, no issues whatsoever. So this is going back. This was of no use, it seems. I will link the video in the description how to remove this whole thing, but don't do that first, because then I realized there's a passage for the cables right here. And basically you pull on this and you look in there. Voila! So the cable is broken. It's extremely stiff, both of them, the brown and the yellow. So that means basically that these things got cooked by heat over time and cracked and finally ripped apart. So now we need to fix them. That's gonna be cool, and you should disconnect your battery because you don't want the airbag being triggered. So yeah, let's do that now. Just a warning, if you need to do this, I think it's better you take it to a service because you do run the risk of triggering your airbag. I did disconnect the battery and I'm going to solder to these wires, but I'm not happy about the situation. You know what I noticed? So the wire cracks like the yellow one, humidity goes in, copper starts to corrode, you can see the greenish part, and eventually it will break. So if you have this car, check these things and maybe fix them before they get broken like this. Extended the wires, make sure you solder yellow to yellow and brown to brown, because otherwise you will be in a world of pain. But again, I didn't show exactly how to solder them, because if you don't already know how to do this, you shouldn't be doing this on your own for sure. Now I'm going to do my best to make sure they run right next to the rest of them. As you can see, the airbag ones were actually the sensor ones were actually the shortest, so they were being bent the most. Really weird. Now they are kind of longer than the rest, so they shouldn't take so much bending. This part that I added is quite flexible, so it should do the bending without issues. Yeah, anyway, it's done and we are slowly just closing things up. This will pop back in its place. I will see how I can make this stay nicely in there. I don't want them bent at 90 degrees in here, so be back in a second. Much better now, and what remains is just to pop this thing back in place. In theory it has 4 clips, 2 on each side, so make sure both sides are locked, front and back. And now go into your scanning tool, reset the error and hope for the best. For me, I will also close this up because I didn't need to open it up. I didn't realize to check this first. Now I will connect the battery once everything else got closed inside, and then scan the car, clear the error and hope it's all good. Started the engine because the battery probably was not that happy. It's a really weak battery, so I need to clear that with the scanner. But also this thing, to get rid of it, if I remember right, you just go full to one direction and I think full to the other or something like that. There was a procedure, I have a video for that, I will link it in the description, and it clears. So as you can see, all good. Now I need to scan and clear that error. And as you can see, this is the error, and before I was deleting it and it was coming back instantly. Let me delete it now. There are no faults. Yep, we solved the issue. All good. Voila, no more error. I also deleted an error related to this because it was on when I was taking the whole front of the door, and it saw that it got disconnected. And yeah, that's about it. But again, if you are not comfortable doing this, go to a service, but at least you have an idea to tell them to search there. It's not the sensor in the door, it's that stupid connection. So hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, it helps a lot, and see you in the next one.